So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install SQLAlchemy, which is a Python based ORM used for managing your databases. So now let's move in our video. Firstly we will open VS Code and open our desired folder. Here I will be using this folder and then create a new file, Python file, and I will save this file and name it as test.py, test, and then here by default it is selected Python. Okay, so it is test.py. What I have to do now is just simply open my terminal and type pip install SQLAlchemy. So it is showing requirement already satisfied. So now I will go in this particular file and import SQLAlchemy. So now I will just check that it is imported correctly or not. Just simply type SQLAlchemy version, or you can check for also. Okay, I will go with SQLAlchemy version check. Then what you have to do now is, if you have two versions installed on your computer, then what you have to do is you have to click here, because you can see that I have installed this particular SQLAlchemy module currently in my Python 3.11, but I have two versions installed in it. As my 3.13 already have this, so it is showing no error, but I have to select this where I have installed my current you can say SQLAlchemy. Then what you have to do is just simply click run this program, run Python file, and this will start executing. So I have just changed the SQLAlchemy version which I have installed, and what I have to do is just simply type this command for changing the version. Okay, and then you can go with this. Just simply click enter, and then now let's run this program, because I think there was some error in that particular version which I have installed. Okay, so SQLAlchemy version which I have installed is 1.4.54. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.